Cabinet Minister and Spokesperson of the MDA 2.0 government, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, has expressed confidence in the National People's Party (NPP) securing a strong mandate in the upcoming Autonomous District Council ADC elections in Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Speaking to reporters, she asserted that since 1972, the NPP has emerged as the single largest party with a clear mandate. Lyngdoh emphasized that the party, along with its coalition partners, has been ensuring stable governance, which she described as crucial for preventing political instability and related challenges.
Party, the National People's Party, is conversant, preparing and gearing itself up for the 2 district council elections that are happening in the state on the 21st of February. I have a feeling that these MDC elections may have results which are far different from the previously held elections in the state. It would be incorrect for me to sound predicting too much, but our candidates are grounded and they are being supported by the party in as many ways as possible to ensure that our numbers in the district council are comfortable, secure, and we are looking at these partnerships that will likely be close to the partnerships that we have in state government. I am confident that our candidates are working hard. And I pray that God will bless every candidate, will bless the party. And the High Command is clear on its mission. We must win. We will all work hard. And we must ensure that these elections do not get too personalized. There should be no anger. There should be zero intolerance, and we must remember that all of us are here because we have one common agenda in our minds, and that is to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya to the best of our capacities. We do not lose sight of that. Doesn't matter. Politics has its own dimensions. But the NPP is strong, the NPP is confident, and we don't think that we will not be the lead party in both the autonomous district councils. Just look at all the numbers of all the elections that we've had down the years. After 1972, today the NPP is the single largest party with a mandate that is correct. After 1972, so we are used to fractured mandates. But fractured mandates can change in any direction. That is the beauty of Indian democracy. I am very sure that despite the fact that there has been attempts to condemn the NPP and its performance, too much happening around the community, whether it's in the road sector, whether it's in the health sector, whether it's in education, I think it would be difficult for anyone to lie that the NPP is actually not doing a good job. I don't think that it is possible for people not to see nor not to hear. You can see what's happening around you. You can ask citizens how are they feeling. Look at how employment generation has reached the last man in the last mile. When did you see this confidence beaming in citizens? That employment is now equal for all.